Actually, alam mo, yung mga ganitong campaigns, yung talaga malapit sa akin talaga. This is something that, in my own way, to not just give back, but to support our farmers. Na nawawala na ng lakas ng loob to work. Kasi marami na tayo mga in-imports dito and everything else, marami na. So, I want to let our farmers feel and know that they are very much appreciated. All their efforts are appreciated. And that's why when Coco Mama asked me if I would like to be part of the tree planting project, hindi kailangan na matagal na sagot. We just had to work with this around my schedule. Pero ito yung mga bagay na gusto ko talaga na pupuntahan in person because I want to experience everything. I want to see it, and at the same time, it is something na ang sarap ikwento sa mga anak namin at some point na ito yung values na gusto kong ituro sa mga bata. Hindi lang sa mga anak namin, kundi sa younger generation na, you know, giving back is not just giving money. It's about helping our farmers, let them know that they're more appreciated. Hindi lang siguro nila masyadong nararamdaman, iparamdam pa natin para ganahan pa ang lahat na magtanim. Hindi lang naman ito just for a coconut tree, hindi ba? It's for Mother Earth. It filters the air, the oxygen. Coconut tree is such a giving tree. Sabi nga ni Sir Noel, di ba, with all the benefits that we can get from it, hindi lang naman tayo magbe-benefit ito, kundi lalo na yung mga farmers natin, mga pamilya nila, anak, apo, and all. So, it is a very important project that's so close to my heart. And I want to keep doing these kinds of projects para malaman ng kabataan na ang buhay hindi natatapos sa pagsisimula sa umaga na nasa social media ka na kagad. You know, let's teach our children to plant. Let's teach each and every one of them to love Mother Nature because it will love us back.